you guys are having a great start to your weekend. Today is Saturday and it's about late afternoon, and this is not typical of me to start vlogging this late, but I have been sluggish. I've been in bed. I literally have been Netflixing. Yeah, and it's time for me to get out of bed. So I am definitely going to get some cold brew that I have sitting in the fridge and make me a cup of frozen coffee so I can get a little bit of pip in my step and get moving. But this video today is basically going to be a November reset video, and our main goal today is to take down all the fall decor, get them organized in its bins, put them away, quick little tidy session, just kind of get things, you know, in its place and organized. That way we can start slowly decorating for Christmas. I am so excited for this time of the year. And as you guys know, I love everything cozy. I love just a cozy lifestyle. I love a cozy home, but when it's around the holidays, it's like the coziness is totally elevated and I love it. It feels magical. So I am super excited. I'm super excited about the videos that I will be recording for you guys, filming for you guys, and sharing them with you, and have a couple fun videos up my sleeve. So definitely looking forward to that. But definitely I need some caffeine and get a little bit of pip in my step. So first thing first, make frozen coffee. Then we're going to quickly start taking down the fall decor because I really don't want the day to get by me and I don't get anything accomplished that I said I was going to do today. And I will also be working on another video for you guys tomorrow, which I will be uploading midweek. I typically only upload on Sundays, but with the holidays, you know, fastly approaching, we're more like Christmas, I will be uploading more frequently. And in December, my goal is to upload 2 to 3 videos a week. It'll probably be 2, but when I'm feeling very ambitious, I'll probably release 3. So definitely looking to share a lot of cozy videos with you guys. So enough chit chat. Let's go get some coffee and start taking down this decor so we do not let the day get by us. Frozen coffee is done, and now to do a taste test. And the reason I do taste tests is sometimes I'll need to add a little bit more of caramel syrup in it if it's not sweet enough. So let's see. Oh yeah, guys, this is some good stuff. Use your leftover coffee. I love it. I'm so weird. So I don't like iced coffee where it's just like frappuccinos and stuff, but I will have me like a coffee slushie, like a frozen coffee. I don't know why I have quirky ways, but I do not like fraps, but I will enjoy me like a coffee slush frozen drink of some sort. So I know I'm weird. Okay, as I'm taking down the fall decor, the home is looking so bare. Like, oh my goodness, like I feel like I wish I could just decorate for Christmas today, but it's okay. I know that soon we're gonna turn the home very magical. But one thing that I like to do before I store away all my fall decor is I like to take all the fall throws and hand towels, and I'll wash them, dry them, fold them, and tuck them away in the bins as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and rip all the throws off the couch, throw them in the washer, along with the hand towels. That way they can smell good and they're, you know, they're nice and fresh when they're tucked away. And then when I take them out, next fall, I give them another wash. So we're gonna go ahead and do that now. Took some of my fall mugs out the cabinet and I'm gonna go ahead and put them up there where my seasonal mugs are at, and my Christmas mugs are there, but I'm not gonna take those down until I start decorating the home. But just for momentarily, so it doesn't look so bare, these are kind of like my everyday mugs that I have hanging here throughout the year. They're more for decor, but I definitely do use them as well. So guys, we are making progress. Everything here is slowly accumulating, and then all the throws are washing. Hand towels are being washed right now, but my poor little kitchen, it looks so bare. And yes, I definitely know I need to clean those pendants, but today's not the day for that. I think I'm going to leave this arrangement here just momentarily until we start decorating for Christmas, because I have another arrangement that I'm going to be working on, because I don't want to see the kitchen so bare, and I'm still enjoying the colors to that. But all the mugs I took out, my little soup bowl, tureen I believe is what they call it, I'm going to go ahead and put that away in the upper cabinets. And yeah, all the fall decor is taken down, most of it, and then I'm going to go get the big bins and just kind of organize everything and put them in there. And then we're going to do a quick vacuum, spot clean a couple areas so the home can feel nice and fresh. And I've definitely accomplished what I wanted to do today. But as much as I love decorating, but when you take everything down, you're just like, oh my God, why does my home look so bare? Did it look like this all year round? But it's okay. But there's a few things I'm going to leave. I'm going to leave the fall potpourri in the middle of the table because I'm going to replace it. And then I'm going to go ahead and leave that for now. And what else I'm going to leave? I think that's pretty much it. Just the potpourri, this arrangement, and then I need to get my little centerpiece and all that taken off the table so I can go ahead and wrap the florals. Yeah, I love the progress that we're making. The home feels good, a little bare, but we're making progress. So I'm gonna go ahead and start loading up all the fall mugs up in the upper cabinet so we can get those out of the way. put everything, mostly everything away, and everything it's in the bin. The only thing that I will have lingering is this centerpiece until I do my Christmas centerpiece, and this arrangement there, the wreath, and my little acorn, because we use this like a little candy jar. When we have a sweet tooth, we grab our pieces of chocolate, and that is it. All the fall decor is put away. All of these pillows we will stick inside of our suitcases. We have a few suitcases, that way the pillows don't smush in the bin, so we'll stick these in the suitcases that we don't utilize at the moment, and then we'll put that in the suitcase, and then all that's left is that centerpiece, guys, and the home is bare. There is nothing left. I had this stuff in there, so I need to accommodate all this stuff in there, and that was my little spring DIY wreath that I did over the spring. Gonna tuck that away, and that's it. So I just need to wait for the throws to finish washing and drying, and then I will eventually put them in there, and we are done with fall. Overall, we have a nice clean canvas, bare home, and I'm gonna go ahead and put that bin away, put some of the stuff that I put here on the island, put that away, and we're gonna start doing some tidying, just like some spot cleaning here in the main common area that we use all the time. And whew, I'm looking a mess, but it's okay. Yeah, and we have made progress. It feels good, feeling really good. And now I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum the floor, because, you know, taking stuff down, I'm sure dust is kind of blowing everywhere. So we're gonna vacuum the floor, wipe down countertops, wipe down the living room tables, and dining table as well. And I may wipe down some of the stainless steel because fingerprints are everywhere and it drives me nuts. And I think we have checked off everything that I wanted to do today. So it is about, oh wow, it's almost 6:30. So I definitely want to get going because it's starting to get dark outside. All right, I'm going to go ahead and finish picking up so we can go ahead and get all this done. Gain fabric deodorizer. It smells so good. I love like the smell of Downy, Gain. Like I love those clean scents. So since I'm watching all the throws, the 2 white throws that I threw in there, those are like everyday throws that we have here on the couch. But after I wash throws and stuff and I pick up the couch area, I love to spray down the couch like this. It's just a deodorizer and it smells so good. So I'm about to go spray our couch with this, do a quick little vacuum, and we are done. And I'm telling you, my home feels so good. Now I just need a nice little shower and hop in bed and have a little bit of me time with Netflix. So I'm about to go finish these last 2 things so we can get underneath those covers. smells amazing. The throws are in the dryer, and then I have about 3 items that are still fall that I will put away once I bring out the Christmas decor. But I literally feel like I can breathe. When my home is clean, it just puts me in a good mood. I love a nice, tidy home and a home that smells good. So I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me, cleaning with me. I look forward to sharing lots of cozy Christmas videos with you guys very soon, and spending this season together. There's nothing more that I enjoy than creating these videos, and I feel like we're a little family. Like, I love when you guys like my videos, leave me comments. Like, I truly feel like we have a nice tight-knit community here. We're just like a little big old family. So again, thank you for your support, and thank you for spending the day with me. And as always, I can't wait to see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.